I am an unhappy cruise junkie. Tell me why, Carnival? I mean, has a cruise line ever done something to piss you off? I mean, so idiotic that it makes you go, what the fuck? Carnival, you are Killing me. I mean, adding fuel to the flame was my fault, at least I think. I should have known better. But Christine Duffy, Mickey Arison, come on, man. Hey y'all, it's me, Jeff, Cruise With Me TV. What can I say? I mean, I don't know who was at fault. Carnival's cruise travel agent, or me. Okay, here's the deal. All right, the Carnival Mardi Gras. Now, some of you, like me, are excited about the Carnival Mardi Gras. I mean, it looks like it's going to be a fantastic ship. Innovative, modern, eco-friendly. Best cruise director, Matt Mitchum. Big Chicken by Shaq. Hell, it even has a roller coaster, right? What could go wrong? Well, for 2 cabins and the people who buy them, it's all wrong. Terribly wrong. And I foolishly reserved and paid for this cabin. I'm talking about cabin 9501. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? This is the Carnival XL Aft Suite. There is only one suite better, the Presidential Suite. Now, according to Carnival's description of the Aft XL Suite, and I have no reason to doubt it, a Carnival XL Suite is one of the most spacious staterooms on the ship. And if we're talking square footage, let's just say the wraparound balcony is made for entertaining. Okay, it also has a private hot tub, dining area, daybed, plus plenty of lounge seating. Wow, it's Carnival's, they put in a description. But back inside the room, which features a separate living room and bedroom, you will find some nice perks that make this room truly deluxe. For instance, how about an ample bathroom with large shower and double sink, plus a separate room for the toilet and an extra sink? You've got it all. Or the 2 TVs, a walk-in closet, a lighted vanity, and sectional sofa. All of those. Check, 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 and check. Plus, unlimited access to the loft. Now, after hearing that description, I'm like, cool, I am in. So as soon as tickets went on sale, I booked the captain's suite at the front of the ship because that was all that was left by the time I got through. Now later, I did some research and determined that the captain's suite might not be the right cabin for us. I mean, because it's windy and has a partially obstructed view. Now, I didn't really know. I only just surmised that from looking at the plans of the ships, but I didn't want to take any chances, right? So I called Carnival and I voiced my concern to the travel agent, to the Carnival's version of a travel agent. And she agreed, but she goes, we had a cancellation, an aft corner suite, room 9501 is available, which she said is bigger than the captain's suite and of course is at the back of the ship. Now, me, I love aft cabins. Cool. Without even thinking, without doing any research, without ever using common sense, I booked, signed, sealed, and delivered Christmas 2020 badass aft corner suite. Bring the Christmas tree and some brandy. Now, several months go by, and Carnival starts to reveal more and more about the ship. And that is when, like a ton of bricks, I realized I was screwed. I mean, screwed. Let me say this. Cabin directly over the theater? Nope, wouldn't do it, bothers me. Cabin under a restaurant? Hell no, too noisy. Cabin next to the elevator? Not on my life would I book a cabin there. Engine noise, especially at the back of the ship, no problem, doesn't bother me whatsoever. Kids running up and down the hallway, no problem at all. So, I'm not averse to noise. But when I drop 8 G's for a luxury cabin, I think it's reasonable to expect some kind of exclusivity, serenity to match the price Carnival is charging for their most expensive suites. So here's the deal. Carnival came up with this brilliant idea to create the Summer's Landing. That place Carnival calls the greatest chill spot at sea. But if I had just held the cabin for 48 hours, did my research, there is no way in hell I would have booked that cabin. Now, even though details were sketchy at the time of booking, there were concept pictures based on designs that had already been approved and were currently being built. I could have just looked at the pictures. And common sense would have told me that that location might be a problem. Now, the cabin looks fantastic, no doubt. But I would have seen the massive hot tub 1 floor below on the right side of the balcony. I would have seen the big screen TV and the outdoor speakers and lounge area directly under the cabin. I would have seen the outdoor bar on the right side, right behind the hot tub. And of course, the pool and the lounge chairs, which probably would not have bothered me because it's eye candy, right? Now, it's going to be a happening spot. And we talked about it, my wife and I, we talked about it. And we were like, it shouldn't be that bad. There won't be as much traffic at night as it is in the day, right? Don't know. No big deal. Grab some earplugs, not a problem. But then, this is when it gets scary. Carnival releases more pictures. Pictures of what is inside Summer's Landing and directly under the cabin. Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse / brew house. It expands the entire width of the ship. Are you kidding me? A freaking brew house? But it gets worse. The brew house has a sound stage. Now, according to Carnival, it's a large sound stage for music. Hey, look at that picture. Look at it. Drums, electric guitar, power amps. Hell, probably even has a smoke machine for all I know. But this is right below 9501. $8,000 to be above a band and a brew house. It's going to be open probably until the wee hours of the morning. Now, we were on a cruise this summer on the MSCC side, and we started talking about this predicament that we were in. So we decided, screw it. It'll be fun. Take some earplugs, and we'll just deal with it. And in a nanosecond, it went from bad to worse. Carnival releases more information. Not only is it a brew house, a large sound stage for live music, it is also the location of a sports bar featuring both indoor and outdoor television screens. Holy shit! All right under the floor of the second biggest or third most expensive cabin on the ship. Come on, Carnival. You see where I'm going? We book a Christmas cruise. And what happens around Christmas? You got it. Bowl games, college bowl games, NFL playoffs, NBA basketball games. On Christmas Day, it's what? The Lakers versus the Clippers? It's just a recipe for disaster for us. I mean, why the fuck would I pay all that money to be surrounded by and over a hub most likely to have 20 to 24-hour activity? Bands, drunk men watching football, rowdy people in the hot tub, and it's Christmas? No freaking way. So let me tell you what I did. I called and I told the agent, my concerns, like, I'm paying a lot of money to be over this noise. And she says she didn't think Carnival would put some of their best cabins in a place that would be so noisy. Wrong, wrong, wrong. You're killing me, Carnival. I mean, needless to say, I canceled that bad boy. Give me my money back. Really? I mean, really? So what next? Well, got that refund, and we're not going to go on the Mardi Gras. Now, we might go on the Mardi Gras some other time, but not for Christmas 2020 because, it's all booked up and whatever. But one thing I know for sure, I am never, ever going in cabin 9501. So people, please do your research. Use a travel agent if you don't know how to do the research, because you definitely do not want to plop down a lot of money to be in a location that is going to drive you freaking crazy. So what are we going to do instead? Well, we booked a cabin on the Grandiosa. That's the MSC's one of their newest boats, cruising the Mediterranean Yacht Club. So Carnival or me, whatever. Oh, whatever you do, please celebrate life, which I think I need to do because, hell, it's still